Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out on this roof, and this video was about a year in the making. Last year we cleaned this side of this roof, and as you can see over there, that side's still dirty. That's what this entire roof looked like. This is a blue-green algae right here, and this has never been cleaned. This was cleaned a year ago, so it's not a fresh clean. It's been sitting, it's been collecting, but it still looks fantastic a year later. So what we're going to do is we're going to test the theory of, does having your roof clean actually help in way of energy efficiency? Because that's the big thing, is a lot of people will tout, you know, just cleaning your roof make, you know, your energy bill better. So the thought is that dark absorbs more heat, so when it's clean, it has the ability to do its job and protect your roof, but also, you know, keep it cooler, versus if it's got this blue-green algae and it's black, and or is this just a aesthetics thing where it makes it look bad? So we're going to find out. What I've done is I bought me one of them fancy dancy temperature checkers, and it's just a basic temperature checker, and I zip tied it 12 inches so that way it's always going to be the exact distance from at all times. So it's not like it's a little further back, so it's going to be different in temperature, although it shouldn't matter, but it may. It is a sunny, partly cloudy, sunny day. It's beautiful. Sun is out though. Jeez, it is Friday, if you can see that. It is the 17th, 2020, and the temperature is 93 degrees. So in other words, it's hotter than all get out. So anyway, let's see what this fancy dancy thermometer says on different parts of this, all the same distance, and see if it's cooler on the clean versus the dirty, and see what it ends up being, because I don't know yet. So we're going to start by turning it on, and we're going to take a check. Let's take a check in the sun. We don't want the shade to affect it. And it is 153 degrees, 152 degrees right here. Now let's see right here. Let's go a little higher. Let's test right here. 150 degrees is what it's tacking out at. 149. Let's go down a little bit right here and see. 150 degrees. Now we're going to go on the dirty side. Let's see the dirty side. Same thing, we want the 153.5, 152. Let's try up here. Oh, look, we got some nastiness growing there. 152. 153.6. 156.9, almost 157. This is all the dirty area. And back to the cool area. 154.5. Wow. 149.5. 149.5. So that actually does tell me that the side that is clean is actually a little cooler. Now, it's not cool, but it's cooler than the dirty side. So it's probably not just an aesthetics. The blue-green algae does actually hold in more heat on hot sunny days, and causes the roof, if it's all the way across, to be hotter. Now whether that it translates to energy efficiency or anything like that, you know, I can't say that, but at least now we've tested this. This is not a fresh clean. This is a year later. That's a year more dirt, and it looks like crap. I'm gonna take a video down there and show you you know, what it looks like from a distance to give you an idea. But anyway, that's kind of an interesting, take your own takeaway from it. But it's definitely cooler on this side versus that. You can still fry an egg on it, but you can take you a few more seconds to finish the egg off on this clean side versus the dirty side. Anyway, well, that's interesting. Take it at what you think. Put your, you know, thoughts in the comments and below, and see what you think about this experiment. And I guess now I gotta finish cleaning the roof. Fun. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.